In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Uber support. Whether you're facing issues with your ride, have questions about Uber Eats, or just need some general help, getting the assistance you need can be simple with these steps. So let's dive right in and discover how you can easily reach out to Uber support. To start, you'll want to head over to the official Uber website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in the URL for Uber, or search for Explore the Uber platform online to quickly find the site. This web page serves as the main hub for all things Uber, whether you're looking to ride or earn with Uber. Once you're on the site, direct your attention to the top of the page. You'll see a menu that includes a variety of options. Look for the one labeled Help. Clicking on this will take you to the section dedicated to answering all your questions, as well as providing support for any issues you might encounter while using Uber's services. Upon arriving in the Help section, you'll need to identify what specific area you need assistance with. This could range from ride-related queries to matters concerning Uber Eats. To make it easy, Uber categorizes support topics so you can quickly navigate to the section most relevant to your inquiry. Assess the categories available and click on the one that best matches what you're looking for. For instance, if your issue is related to Uber Eats, you'll want to click on the Uber Eats link. This will direct you to a specialized area where you can find tailored support related to food deliveries. It's important to select the correct category, as this ensures you're directed to the help resources best suited to solve your problem. Next, you'll notice a search bar prominently displayed on the page. This tool is incredibly useful for finding answers to more specific questions. Simply type in keywords related to your query in the search bar. For example, if you need help with an order that was not delivered, you might type "missing Uber Eats order" to find relevant resources or support articles that address this particular issue. After submitting your query, Uber will provide you with a list of potential solutions or allow you to send a direct message. At this point, it's just a matter of waiting for their response. Typically, Uber support will get back to you with the information or resolution you need. Keep an eye on your communication channels, whether it's email or the app, to ensure you don't miss their reply. And that's really all there is to it. With these steps, contacting Uber support should be a breeze. Remember, having clear information about your issue ready when you reach out can accelerate the process, making it even more efficient. I hope this guide has been helpful and you now feel prepared to get the support you need from Uber. Safe and happy traveling.